पर्यटक गोंया खातीर म्हत्वाचे आसात. आमचे पोट तांचेर चलता. सद्याक फक्त पर्यटनांतल्यान गोंयांत येणावळ येता. आमी मात पर्यटकांक त्रास करतात. तांकां परत परत चलन दिवन छळ करप सारकें न्हय. हळूहळू पर्यटक गोंयांत येवपाक बंद जातले म्हण मायकल लोबो उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
होम डिपार्टमेंटान बजेट एलोकेशन भरपूर केल्लें आहा, पूण जे होम डिपार्टमेंटानसून रेव्हेन्यू जो हाडपाक लायला ते म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी इनजस्टीस जाता. जे वायट युनिफॉर्म आमचे ट्रॅफिक सेल जे स्टॉप करीत आहा सगल्यांक, कोणाक हेल्मेट आहा तेंकांय स्टॉप करता आनी तेंकां सांगता हो डॉक्युमेंट दी, तो डॉक्युमेंट दी, तो डॉक्युमेंट मागपाची गरज ना. आयज तुका डॉक्युमेंट सगळे कळटा. तुजे एक ऑन युअर सेल फोन यू जस्ट लॉग इन and you will get it. So, but there are tourists who are suffering in this. Amche local, amche Indian tourists who are coming in the state of Goa for the purpose of tourism. They are coming here for 3 nights, 4 nights. 4 दिसांक रावपी लोक आहात ते आमकां कंप्लेन दिता. कितें कंप्लेन दिता? आमदाराक कंप्लेन दिता, पंचायतीन कंप्लेन दिता. म्हणजे जे कोणाक इसादता ते किसको कंप्लेन देना की that we are being stopped at 10 places. We went from Anjuna to South Goa on a motorcycle or in a car. We were stopped at 10 places and we were harassed at 10 places. Goa police does good job, but या हितून तेंचे नाव पिड्यार जाता. जेन्ना ते म्हणटा आमकां 10 स्वतेचेर आडयता आनी 10 स्वतेचेर हॅरेस करता. It should not be the case of revenue generation for the state. Tourists cannot be by imposing fine on a tourist, that cannot be revenue generation. You are sending a wrong signal. Speaker sir, you go to any country in the world and you see if you are being stopped. तू no entry in बसून वसत जाल्यार तुका ते स्टॉप करतले आनी सांगतले sir you are come in no entry म्हणटले. They know that you are a tourist. You have taken a car. You have come in a no entry. They will not fine you. They know that you have done it not intentionally. You have done by mistake. They will tell you to take this U-turn and go back and go. म्हाका दिसता Honorable Chief Ministeran clear instruction दिवपाची गरज आहा that tourists म्हणजे अतिथी देवो भव. They are our bread and butter. They are coming in the state to give us revenue. They are coming in the state so that the revenue of the state increases, that the state coffers gets GST. All our youth who are unemployed are employed because of them, and we cannot harass them. And म्हाका दिसता ही message loud and clear वचपाची गरज आहा. Speaker sir, we all 40 MLAs are responsible for the 15 lakh population of the state of Goa. We are being elected by them. The only revenue generation of the state today is tourism. पण आमी हॅरेस करता ट्युरिस्टांक. कशें जातलें स्पीकर सर? आमीच हॅरेस करता. We are all responsible. We cannot say we are in opposition. फाल्यां वेंजी म्हणूंक शकना आपूण कोस्टल बेल्टाचो MLA. I cannot do anything. I am in opposition. No. We collectively will have to tell Chief Minister that the tourists cannot be harassed. जाल्लें आहा. तूं पळय, slowly you will see the quality of your tourists will decline if this continues. We will have to explain again and again. This is very important. I have brought it to the notice that Home Department is also getting lot of revenue from challans. Challan is not the solution. Challan is not the solution.